Well, I already got the subframe, pretty much a couple bolts. I just got the subframe bolts on the side, loosen the clamp around the carb, and the whole ass end came up. Had to untake these plastics. But
Nice,
very minimal.
Nice. Well, we might as well just pull the tank. What do you like?
Huh?
2 bolts here, and then fucking lift the whole thing off.
No, I think I'm gonna wiggle. I think I'm gonna get the carb out the way it is, wiggle off.
So full of
red
sand.
handles, the kind of middle, the center red handles, dirty ones. Yeah.
Some nanny picks.
Yeah, buddy. You badass.
You want some paper towel?
I plugged it with this bag. I just wanted to plug that one while I just did my cable here. Oh fuck! Huh. I had a brand new clutch, brand new throttle cable. I had on sitting on my computer desk.
I thought you just lost a finger.
I had a brand new cable that was part of this whole job. No.
That's not bad at all.
You want to grab me a 6 mil? I think.
French?
Yeah.
He's like, just fuck with shit, figure it out, it'll be good. I'm like, okay, again, let's just go back. We're just gonna go up, get some wiggle room. We get to like 200 feet, and he just holds on the phone, kicks his feet up on the dash, and starts swiping through Tinder. And I guess I'm like, fuck, I'm on my own here.
Oh yeah. That's why you thought it was a 6.
Then you realize, oh, it's not that bad. Yeah, it was a ball. I went and buzzed my own house.
Not very often you use the 7.
Wow, I can't believe the 7s got busted out already.
You busted out the 7?
Yeah, using the 7 mil. Not very often.
He got new cat wrenches that he's just so ecstatic about. These are girthy, man.
So this is the SmartCarb SC2. Ordered it from the US&A. Cost me, cost me 1,000 Canadian by the time it got to my house.
Fancy.
Yeah, I already opened it up. They had the documents. I read about it. It's supposed to. I got it. You got to modify the air boot. If you have to, it says on the suction side, you might have to cut a little piece to make sure this gets inside it, because it might cover that.
Yeah.
And then it's like, I think the fuel. That's where it's vented. So there's like valves. Like it's straight 2 channels straight down into the bowl.
Yeah.
And there's valves in there. So when you turn it upside down, they close. That's how it doesn't leak out. But then it's internally vented, I think. So those vents, that pressure from the suction also goes to the float bowl, so that it equalizes, so that there's actual vacuum at the metering rod.
It's neat.
It's flat on the back, round on the front, and then there's a little hole at the bottom of the back. That's where the fuel comes up. That's cool.
That's the
There's not
metering
much
rod?
to it.
Oh yeah, it's round on that side.
Round on the front.
Where's the old carb?
It's up on my
Flat on that side. Oh yeah. Simple.
Yeah, I don't know why every carb hasn't been like that forever. Once you watch the video, you're like, why is?
Yeah.
I don't get it.
Exactly.
So,
Maybe you have to take the top off, and you'll have to screw in your thing.
Yeah. So maybe let's take some brake clean, clean up that boot.
I don't have any brake clean. I thought I did,
I think I
but
do have a can.
yeah.
You got some carb cleaner in there. Yeah, man. It's crazy thing. You sitting here.
Brake cleaner.
The can he was holding? Yeah. You feel it? Because it was going through his fuck.
You want to lift the subframe up?
Yeah, probably. Well.
And they're not even supposed to be.
Yeah.
Like, do you have a pacemaker?
I think.
Do you want a ratchet strap and just hold it up there?
No. Well,
Spray in there a little bit. Give her a wipe.
Yeah.
Some clean stuff right there to roll. Or that.
I think that's good.
You're driving down the highway. If they see a power line.
Of course, eh?
Do you want a strap just to hold it there? Oh, yeah.
Oh, there. Just caught the tire.
Is that thing going to be mint or what?
I think so, buddy. Shaping up that way.
The old SmartCarb.
Electron or?
Same thing. I think the metering rod carb, SmartCarb though.
SmartCarb. The Electron's different, isn't it?
Same principle, just different
brand.
Is it?
That's an actual smart carb.
Yeah.
Fascinating.
Oh, hey. Look at that.
I think I should probably.
You can change settings by twisting that?
Probably idle.
No, the idle's the knob on the side.
This one?
The top is the metering rod.
Oh yeah.
The throttle cable has to be attached and like pulled up for it to.
That's cool. Super simple looking design.
Does it need
to just a?
Does it need power at all, or
Yeah.
No, it's just it runs on.
Yep, just fucking all mechanical.
Just fucking chunk of aluminum. They fucking milled her down and said we're gonna drill here, and there you go. You got a carb.
I don't know, man. Like, here, let me see it. I think I'm just gonna stick it on and just try to look in through this side. Take my filter off and see if it's. I need to cut away that stuff or not. See if I can see those ports.
Do you understand how that works, Captain Mechanics?
Oh yeah.
How
old-
does the metering rod work?
It works on
I
a
don't
theory
need to
of
cut
a low
enough- I don't need to-
pressure in behind that flat surface, and then low pressure there pulls
It's the
fuel up.
airfoil,
Basically,
Oh.
it's like a wing, little air wing in there, and that's how it meters it. Pulls exactly as much as it needs.
Makes the air go around it, so it makes it go faster, increase velocity, decrease pressure, pulls fuel from the bottom.
Yeah, I got TPI.
Yeah, you're in fuel injection. Oil injection.
No, I got nothing like that. So
So
this
I
is a
can-
better idea,
Oh, come
though.
on, I think you should put on.
I
Oh, I
can see
fucking
those
totally
ports.
would.
There's no need to cut shit away in my bike. I don't.
Well, you're good
like,
then.
Like, what do you think? Like,
No,
I don't know.
it looks pretty.
I
Looks
don't
pretty
see an
fucking
issue.
good. It just kind of doesn't make sense why the clamp is going to be on the outside of that piece still. You know, like, and it would be covering it. I don't get that.
So
Maybe there's a check stop right there.
we need to. What should I do first now? Should I? Do you think I should
Choke up your throttle cable.
throttle? Should I tighten this or no? Just pull this back out from this boot. Like, it'd be easier to just take it right out and do the cable probably. And
I
then
think
put
so.
it-
We'll put the cable on and then.
Oh, I got some Allen keys now. You think they're fucking standard or metric? Standard or metric, SmartCarb?
Made in USA? Standard.
Try metric first. Sometimes they just make dirt bike stuff metric because they know all your tools you have for your dirt bike's metric.
No, that's fair.
It's pretty loose. Just for shits and gigs, let's try the standard stuff.
Well, we're lucky you just came by here. Lucky we didn't get wiped out by a tire.
Especially the passenger side.
Yeah.
Ooh, that shock. My armpit there.
What happened?
Guy lost a tire.
Oh yeah?
You just drove by and lost it right down there.
Huh.
Shot into the bush. I went behind the tower there.
Nice.
No, it's
No,
metric.
It's metric.
it's not as bad as I thought.
I figured, well, I'm like, that's why I get up here. I'm like,
It's metric.
You guys picked a real good spot.
Yeah, I don't know the area well enough, but I know like this is right off on the main.
There's lots of campers back there. I was surprised. I was like, holy fuck.
The Tillamook or whatever. I think I might have sent you.
That was the one, yeah, you said to go over there.
Oh well, yeah, the one way down there.
Yeah.
That's fucking party central.
Oh yeah?
You know Sonny Hodder at all? Have you heard the name?
I think I met him once.
Yeah, so he's camped out here. Me and Colin, if we see him, we're just like,
Yeah.
he wants him and Colin have a problem. He has a problem with Colin, and he's a fucking drunk loser.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
I heard
what's
he's
in here now?
Last May I came out here to ride. He begged me to come out here and ride with him. I got out here at like 11, just ready to go.
Just a spring gasket in there, make sure it doesn't fall down.
Go to the bed.
So I think seems
Well,
pretty
I gotta
simple.
go to get all geared up.
Seems pretty simple. You need a 10 again?
Yeah, brand new
Yeah,
bikes.
probably.
We don't have to
All right.
save money.
How the fuck does that connect?
Self-sufficient, eh?
Hey, out.
Oh, he caught and killed some hot dogs.
Oh, there's a washer.
You're not.
Okay. So, okay, it was just the washer. That's all I want.
It goes around that, and then you hook that in there somewhere.
So it just goes in there, like so.
Very nice.
Might have to
Get the-
hold the top.
Okay.
Let's push the spring in.
Come on, Nina.
Yes,
I didn't know all the
babe.
hot dogs. You know,
Hey, Lane.
Yeah.
You want to be a cameraman?
Yeah. Yeah, I'll do it, cameraman.
You're the best, buddy.
This is for the channel?
Yeah.
This is for the channel.
I think it just
Yeah, I'll get
died.
that up there.
Put that spring up there.
Okay.
Actually, grab grab this water out of the sand here.
Let me see.
Well, we should probably just pull this whole thing right out.
The whole slide? Yeah, you probably can. Yeah.
Okay.
If you want some to do, you can throw it like this. There's a snazzy new jerry can. Make sure they shake it.
Oh, I felt it.
Okay. Let her go. There you go. You got your slide on there.
Slide on there by.
Run it the right way.
Yeah. Want to be. Okay.
You guys just came up that signal track right here. Wonder where that actually went.
It goes down to the campsites down there.
Oh, okay.
You tightened in the throttle on the top part there?
Yeah.
Is this your informative YouTube video?
Oh yeah, buddy.
Yeah.
This is the Bush install, the Smart Carb. The Allen heads are on my wrench roll.
On your wrench? Oh yeah, you're there.
Those I was thinking about is they're actually starting to be pretty nice looking bikes too.
Fucking nice.
Well, they're the same as these, pretty much.
It's just yeah.
Those which ones?
the Huskies and
Oh, yeah.
the TE. Or
I do
whatever.
like the color scheme. Like I think
have you
white
heard
and
anything
blue
about
is
the
nicer
gas
looking
gas?
than orange.
They're the same.
Pretty much the
Same bike.
difference.
Yeah, they have different suspension.
Yeah.
So
I've heard a lot of good things. I've
KTMs
never
have
heard of
air
They don't
forks.
do the XCW. They don't do the PDS suspension in the back. Is the
Yeah.
thing.
The Huskies all have hydraulic forks. And the gases have, I think, clutch cables instead of the hydraulic.
Oh really?
Yeah. I think gas is going to be more geared toward motocross. I
Right.
think.
Dude, I just touched you and I got shocked. You're like an induction king right now.
The gas is geared more to motocross. And Suzuki's not really a business anymore. Not
For
there.
fucking motocross.
Yeah,
Poor
they
Susie.
make
They kind of
fucking
do like their
cars.
own fucking cars and boats. What engines?
No, they
Don't
have
even do that
discontinued.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, completely. Only in
What do they
Japan.
even make?
Their bikes, you can still buy like a 2022, but it hasn't changed since 14. Like not even decals.
That's pretty much how the YZs are too, man. They haven't changed since like 05.
Well, the two.
I bumped into a guy that's saying now the 2022 125 has like a bunch of R&D put into it now.
So the YZ in 05, they both 125s and 250s got aluminum frames. And then in 07 the suspension got upgraded.
Yeah.
And then there's been plastic changes. And then in 17 there was a major suspension change and the frame changed in them.
See that? Got the full slide action.
The,
That's nice.
in 2022 the YZ250 plastic
Oh, yeah.
changed. And the YZ125 is a ground up different bike. Same rims and handlebars, that's it.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
I mean,
Ground up.
the way fucking
I
the
think-
sport's been aggressing, I feel like single track racing and that kind of woods riding has started to just
Well,
come out of nowhere.
They came out with the X,
Yeah.
Yamaha did, which is pretty much a fist pour to XCW.
Yeah,
My opinion of it.
exactly.
It's like, hey, KTM built something cool. Why don't we, as cheap as possible, build something that we can advertise at
this
the
down?
same time?
Nope.
Exactly. For the longest time, dirt bikes to me was, motocross.
Yeah.
It was, or free riding, which you weren't, whatever. You rode a motocross bike free
Yeah.
ride. So,
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
Put that on my tailgate, please. And pass me that.
Now,
no,
I-
never mind.
I would-
Got it.
I wish fucking Honda and them would come back with their fucking two-strokes. I wish they'd say, you know what?
So,
We want back in.
yeah. I would bet, I'd put money on Yamaha releases a fuel injected something cool this year. Because, so the 2022 Yamaha changed their frame on the YZ250.
Yeah.
So there's the same motor to a T,
Yeah.
same suspension to a T, which is all great on those bikes. But they changed the fuel tank, and the fuel tank lost like 2.5 liters. So, fuel injections. I bet 2023, I bet we see my bike with a good fuel injection system. Hopefully still premix. I don't like the oil.
That or
Yeah, premix for sure. still.
Premix fuel injection system would be.
Yeah. Because then if, you know, like,
I mean, it works on the sled.
then you don't have to worry. Yeah, then you don't have to worry about, like, you know, your oil pump not working. It's like if your bike's getting fuel, it's getting oil, right? So it's either running with gas and oil or it's not running at all. It's not running without fucking oil. This is how I blew up 2 TPIs.
TPI, my understanding.
It's a nice looking. Maybe swap out the filter while you got it apart. Maybe.
This thing's fucking has. This thing was fresh for the start of the weekend.
For the E-Tex.
Is that dirty already?
It's got 8 hours on it, buddy.
It's clean.
So then they pull the motor and the E-module.
Just having a look, you know.
And they're like, yeah, E-module is 6K. I'm like,
Okay, start it with no choke and see.
Insurance.
First start, smart carb. Let's go, boys. Take it out of gear, probably.
Insurance calls and they're like, yeah, that's fucking E-module.
Let me try the choke. Get me on the fucking factory team.
Wouldn't that be sick?
Probably better at working on them than riding them.
You can do it. Fuck that trench.
Ow!
Fuck, it didn't flood.
That worked.
I'm not getting my momentum. I'm not getting my feet under me at the bottom. I'm coming in too squirrely.
Yeah. What gear are you in?
Second.
Second. I started off in second there, and then just fucking dumped the clutch.
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah, I was hitting it so good earlier. I just need to do what I was doing. I know where I'm fucking up.
Oh shit!
Ah!
Woo!
Can't get her, man.
This is a tough one. It's steep here.
Yeah. Yeah, you have to be
Full
all
speed.
the stars have to align when you get to this spot.
Yeah.
think I'm going straight down this one.
Yeah, do her up. You could try coming from the side there. That trail you keep going down.
Try a straight shot again.
Yeah. And that route fucks me up. That's why I don't like
Yeah.
going that way. I haven't been able to make it up that way yet. Oh yeah, there you go, there you go. Say that counts.
Yeah. Oh. I'm fucking counting it.
I don't know, I still on a slope there. The bike length ahead, I would call it.
Very dangerous.
Oh yeah.
That was hard.
Was it a hard one, yeah?